In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT with GoHighLevel, step-by-step tutorial. First, make sure you're signed into your GoHighLevel account and have access to the location where you want this automation to run. If you use Facebook lead ads, confirm that your Facebook account is connected in your integrations so the trigger we set up can detect new leads. Head to the automation area from the main sidebar. This is where all your workflows live and where we'll build the connection to ChatGPT. Click Create Workflow, and when prompted, choose Start from Scratch. Starting clean gives you full control and helps you understand each piece. Give your workflow a clear name now so you can find it later, like FB Lead to GPT Summary. Next, add a trigger. Triggers are events that start the workflow. Choose Add New Trigger, then select Facebook Lead Form Submitted. This tells GoHighLevel to kick off the workflow the instant a lead submits your Facebook form. If you have multiple pages or forms, choose the exact one you want to monitor so the automation stays precise. When you're done, click Save Trigger to lock that in. Now let's add the AI step. Click the plus icon to add an action. In the search bar, type AI to quickly find the relevant action types and select GPT powered by OpenAI. This action lets your workflow send information about the lead to ChatGPT and receive a helpful response you can use in follow-up steps. You'll see a prompt box. This is where you explain to ChatGPT what you want it to do. Be explicit and include merge fields to pass lead data. For example, you might say, "Summarize this new lead for our sales team using a friendly, professional tone. Include the lead's name, contact information, and top interest from the form, and end with 2 suggested next steps." You can insert fields like the lead's first name, email, or answers from custom questions so the response is personalized and useful. Keep your prompt concise but specific, define the tone you want, and outline the structure of the output you expect. If your team prefers bullet-style summaries or a short paragraph, say that in the prompt. When your prompt looks good, click Save Action. At this point, your workflow is configured to listen for a Facebook lead form submission, send the details to ChatGPT, and generate an AI-powered response you can use in downstream communications. That's the core integration complete. From here, you can build on this foundation in your own account, using the AI output to inform messages, internal notifications, or task creation.